Constraints is a setting in Figma that allows you to control how objects that are inside the frame interrelate and move and align with the frame borders. Let's look in practice and go to the page Constraints, and here we see them. Constraints work only for objects that are inside of the frame. For example, here is a frame and here is some object inside, and when I select this frame that is not located in some other frame, I don't see this setting over here, but when I select something inside it, I see constraints menu. So let's look how it works. For example, we have this image inside the frame and we have constraints left and top. What does it mean? It means that this image will stick to the left and top sides of the frame if you resize the frame itself. Let's look how it works. I do like this and image is on the same place. But if I resize to this side, image follows the borders, because this is the top and the left sides. Here is the opposite, bottom right. If I change this side here, it follows. If I do here, it doesn't follow. And let's see the center. It says center center. This means that the object, the picture, will be in the center, not looking at where the center is. So it is just in the center of the frame. We can combine these settings. For example, this image has right and center settings. This means, and you can see this dashed blue line that shows where is constraint set. So if I move this border, it doesn't follow. If I move this, it follows. If I do something with the vertical size, it's in the center because we have vertical centered constraint. So if we do like this, it is always in the center vertically, but it doesn't follow this side horizontally. But if I pull this corner, I see that this image follows me. Okay, and we have another option. It says left and right, top and bottom. If you click here, you will select left or right. If you want to set left and right, you have to press Command or Shift and click this icon, and you get your left and right constraints. What does it mean? It means that if we resize the frame, the object will remain the same distance between its border and the frame's border. Obviously, this means that the object itself will be resized if you resize the frame. So as you can see, we have the same padding around this image, but image itself is being resized. So these are constraint settings, and we will use them a lot with auto layout when we create some complicated text bubbles or just place some objects at our banners. We will look at this soon, and now that's it for our constraint settings.